what I'm making for dinner when I'm tired and I'm starving. Get a potato that you would use for baked potatoes and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Once your potatoes are in a bowl, add a little bit of olive oil, and then I have Trader Joe's citrus garlic. I'm gonna air fry these for 15 minutes at 400. And I'm gonna show you guys my new favorite like sauce topping side. I don't really know what to call it. I would cook like that much spinach. Trust me on the rest, it's gonna seem a little weird, but it tastes really good. So you're gonna add Greek yogurt, chop up 1 clove of garlic. That's chopped up, just add it in there, and then slice your tomato into like super thin cubes. And you're gonna add a lot of dill, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. The spinach is cooked down enough, you're just gonna add it into the yogurt. You're just gonna mix everything in, and it'll kind of turn warm. I'm just gonna put down like 2 chicken tenders, and then put steak seasoning all over them. Now I have my potatoes, chicken, and my sauce to go with everything.